Hey guys, in this video on this 2025 Kia Carnival LXS, I just want to cover this control strip right here that controls your climate control settings as well as some of your infotainment center. So this, I thought when you first get this vehicle, you might think these buttons are like just read like that, but they change depending on what you touch. So it's a touch screen, has knobs, and the knobs even do different things depending on what you touch. So I just want to just clarify that so you're not driving going, oh my god, what did I do? But the two main buttons that you need to know about is that button and this button. So this with the fan goes to your climate control settings, so you can crank this up or down. That's for your front climate control, and then you have control over your rear. So I know when I first got this vehicle, I thought these labels were more like just individual buttons, but after you use this, you'll soon find out this whole thing is a screen that can change how it's displayed. So that, just to clarify and kind of conclude, that's how you get to the climate control. So if you're on the climate control and you want to get to like your map really quick, it loads the Kia map controls. The search, seek, media is a common one that you'll get to your different features with. So some of these buttons actually interact with the infotainment center. A lot of times, first thing you do when you get in your car, you're going to set your climate. So these two buttons I thought I would share and just how these work, and you can, once it's on that, then you can control your dials like that. But if it's on this mode, it's going to change that to volume and power. So these control wheels change depending on which setting it's on, and then the buttons themselves change. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions about an exact button or feature, let me know in the comments. But as always, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.